guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your mommy Juliet on board today. In today's video, I will be wishing Sister Kate ODA. I will be wishing her happy marriage. My sister, I wish you happy marriage. You are a nice woman. I like you for who you are. You understand? You don't hide your character. You bring your character the way you present it in the video and in your own. Thank you very much. Me, I like someone, if you what you believe, you bring it out. Not you are there, you come and show on that person another thing. So Oteme, happy marriage life. I wish you happy marriage. I wish you long marriage. You understand? Because normal, you know this hater, they must see something talk. Because now it should there. Happy for you. You can't buy a marriage where zaga. You know, we are celebrating. We know the way we are celebrating. We want to here. Again, outside because when most of you money here do even in Nigeria, even or now again, ja stop where and only move. We want finish marriage now. Why I call only move. They buy you where or that phone. So even though wish you a happy marriage, my sister, my lady, my queen. I salute you. You see the way I take dress. This is why I start live video. I never put one bit for body because I want to appreciate you. I want to celebrate your marriage. Now dress. You know, if you want to celebrate queen, you go dress as a queen. Sister Kate, I wish you happy marriage. Eri efe Norwegian marriage yari Ogaso wo boveni Jesus Christ no me afa. Uwene ekenaje ao na meka roji. Umana do lekenu jeji, weti ya do lekenu jeji. Akari yan atayo, umawa gwa umawa no pa. Ekenaje na ka do loji my sister. Ika bo wa gogo no ka boy na we do celebrate marriage we na because a marriage we ni osukiyan. So edame tatata wa kwa bobori a bose nwa ale beta food no ga ugera enegbega ro enegbega shine enegbega ladian ina we dey celebrate we ina we before case the way ave my so go ni ka celebrate when my sister my queen the only black beauty on social media na Mario Iba is celebrating whatever happy marriage. I wish you well. God will protect your home. Kabole ba no re no ga o okwonewe o okwono tv no je wo wa we tare social media a okwoni megun akana yeno hodi hell sister Kate no ga umosegbe gbenu sabare nu Mario Iba Mario kerewo eru black ni eririe kuwe ya beto ko we ofofo wawe no wawe bi no. I celebrate my queen. So at the end of this video, my sister, wa me music in here your way. Nu ya celebrate marriage we na. Nu ya wo bobotibo. Edita ese. Happy marriage. Happy ogione. So thank you everyone. So in today's video, I'll be talking my brother, my sister. I'm not let anybody deceive you now. Why you want deceive you at all? For this Europe, if they live for Europe, the first thing to do, the first marriage to do is to do marriage in this Europe. Then when you finally have the money for you to go back to Nigeria to go and do your traditional marriage, it's very, very good. But you know, this Europe will do so. If you tell me, say, come go do marriage, or you marriage, you go say, no, go do Nigeria marriage. Why? Because you see a lot of people will be saying they go spend big money to do Nigeria marriage. The marriage not last because if the man want leave you or the woman want leave you, you not go lose the money we want spend for lodger for divorcee or to start that marriage. You not go look am because you know say Nigeria marriage. If you all say I don't dey marry again, or you don't know na say una marry, or you don't they look na say boyfriend and girlfriend. Or you better look now as live it together. You see, you not feel do anything. That make na make single mother some single mother na make they dey frustrated, they dey I don't know how they put am, because the man will leave them, go abandon children for them. If you say no go bring money in your way, nothing to do that man. But if you do oyibo marriage for year, that man say wan make you single mother. If you be woman will be say you know your right, and if you be woman will be say if they ask question, and if you be woman will be say you know what dey happen for your country, that man he go regret why he leave you to turn single mother to go marry another wife. You understand? So my brother and sister, come use this message take advice. When they say it's okay do marriage, my sister, I celebrate you. You do the right thing, even though you know whether you say you don't fair do Nigeria, oh fine. Even no say you never fair do Nigeria, oh, I celebrate my sister. Erioko yagbe, oko no fin ya ori yagbe. A group no a left and right of in yagbe, my sister. Any ya we marriage, Nigeria marriage fune. Ope wa se we bo ofilian kwa. I be married, I'm going to do traditional marriage. Oh, market webo. If you go anywhere, they'll say you not be your husband because you not be boyfriend and girlfriend. You see, if you do marriage for Europe, now makes some make the wrong. If you do marriage for Europe, the man come make it to single mother. You go do it now. If you go pay this pick 200 euro, you pay the other 200 euro, or you pay this 100 euro, pay this one 150. Come pay school money. Come buy clothes for them. With another wife you marry, I want to cope. You not go try, and they not go try at all. Because they not go live on and they not go fair and arrange, not go they arrange Nigeria. Now make many single mother many for everywhere. You understand? Now make single mother many. See what that day I see this lady. The way take day, I say why you not go do common marriage? Me go do marry marriage. Me you go do oyibo marriage. He said the man say God forbid he no still sleep if he go do oyibo marriage. I say why? He said they'll go do native marriage, traditional marriage. I say why? He said he no fit take do oyibo marriage tomorrow. Now he can say he no dey do now. The Lord will come there head. I tell her, I say my sister, if you don't do marriage for Europe here, now go do marriage for Nigeria. You understand? If you woman will get sense, not let all these people when they say they be usually though they carry don't need they go forward. Now lie, they don't carry go anywhere. Because if they carry don't need they go forward, you go see who they wrong, who they say bad thing against Edo. Because this one on your group, you know what talk put. Now when they talk, when you see bad thing against Edo, you can say, hey, come, tiny, what you talking, don't do and well. While right, you see your group where they talk rubbish about Edo, you not put them for the level they say they belong to. For me, this social media, if they like, they give themselves big name. You not concern me. For me, I not get social media president. If I want to consider say only one I get now the Murphy because I come meet her for live video where he give himself that post. Not me give her, not anybody not give her. So that kind of person. That kind of partner will say, okay, like the post, because everybody for the social media here, now the name will be say you give yourself, now people they call you. So now I'm not saying now you be social media person. You see all the rest. When they say they talk truth, no one they talk truth. All of them are lie. They talk truth for their group. Why the one we say not be their group. For their group they talk like for the one we say not belong to them, they talk evil. Can you imagine say somebody celebrates in marriage? Now happiness to do. Because ekenaje anagbe, you know if you leave Europe for marriage, me go carry yourself go do native marriage. Native marriage good though. It good. The Bible. It good to do traditional marriage. If the person never do traditional marriage, no one go ask. You know why. If no one go ask, go do the marriage. You know why. If you say you want to do the marriage after you don't already spend 30 years for Europe marriage. Now their choice. Not be your business. Hang now where? You might get where bugger. Someone live person. May you live your life. If you say person happiness, it could be your frustration. You carry your eye go one side so that you know see the frustration. Me I don't understand why person will celebrate in marriage. I think because a Nigerian marriage, because I will marriage. Me, I know a lot of people will say they go to traditional marriage. Their husband not there with them now because in and here, if they want to deal with that woman to be single mother, they're not going to lose side, look back, because you know, say they don't lose anything. But if you do Oyibo marriage, yeah, mostly black, before you decide say you want to go lead that one to be single mother, you know say you ready now. You want work double work. You want work double job. Now make all this our mate, some of them, they very useless. If you want no real man, tell me you do marriage for Europe. Me if I leave Nigeria first, me see her. If no one take you serious at the end of the day, you go cower. If you want to take you serious, if you do Oyibo marriage finish, anytime you take get money, not take ready or talk go Africa, go do this traditional marriage, now go do. Let them no real man. Don't let anybody deceive you. Say go first do traditional marriage. No, it not count for Europe because who wants see? That time we say I dey Italy. One of my friends, Modestiny, he go do traditional marriage. He marry Igbo man for Nigeria, and he husband get documents. So what they want call government, they give her a document for more than 3 years. They not give this woman document. And when she get belle, she marry tight friend. They move together that time. So for sometimes, not say some people when they see new friend, they go leave the old friend. See 3 years. Now you can't call me. Say I'm my sister. I don't see you with my wife again. He gonna ask wife say, so you carry new friend, leave old friend. I don't see anything we say he achieve. Why you not go meet your old friend? Who is stand for you where you get belle? When she get belle, that's another story for that day. She come for my daughter birthday. And I show her road. She read that she don't marry. I say, who's married? She Nigeria marry. I say, African marriage not count for here now. He said, no, you can't. I said, okay, no problem. They say, you can. I said, okay, no problem. Ma, go where they want for help you. We reach the assistant social. And the office said they want help her. He bring the people come out. He do marriage for Nigeria. Traditional marriage. He can't do court marriage. They look the paper. They say, this one, you not serve. No. This one, you not the computer. If you want me, your husband give you documents. Go do common marriage. But they will help you now because not the marriage. They leave it together. Take get document, but me go do marriage. I said this my friend go rush, go do marriage. You understand? All this some men we don't get sense. We don't get respect for woman because me, man we say don't get respect for another woman. You don't get respect for your wife. All those kind men we say they run like tap. Now then we be say they don't get wife for us now. They not go wash plate. They don't go do anything again because they don't get wife for us. You see some boys when they date us, they will cook, they will wash plate, they will do everything. Once they don't marry or they don't get girlfriend, they are even be you not go touch anything again. They can't put all the whole load for the woman head. When you forget, say Bible say woman, wife is helping her for man. Man, not talk too much because I can't use this video. Stay with my sister. Happy marriage. My sister, if you see the dress where you dress, all the dress where you change, he fits you, my sister. No man, I will no man who. No mind. Enjoy your marriage. Celebrate your marriage. Give the style. Cook delicious food for your husband. All this torino soup. Naga turn you na ngomboto ede fois le ya efenoka. It no matter who try for see your love. You see her for Calabar, you see her for Igbo, you see her for Benin, you see her for Yoruba, you see her for Hausa, you see her for Kobido. Anyway for see your husband, my sister. And they advise our young guests. Anyway for see your husband, you grab that husband. Husband will be say, if you don't let her do Europe marriage, not be husband. At the end of the day, you go make it to be single mother. You understand? Now you say I can't do this video because I see all this samagua. When they say they advise, they don't know their left, they don't know their right. They go join their group. The one we say it not be their group. My sister, not mind the rest. As we come out now, you see the way I take dress now. Because if you want to talk to a marriage person, If you want talk to woman will be say e husband e not look side, e not look left, carry you go Igbo court go wed you. My sister, that man athroway salute. Your husband try. Yeah, not let people come say this one head down here. So thank you everyone. Now say I can't use this message, take this small advice. The hear ma use that take give small advice so that make our people learn. Those who they call themselves they are not being nothing. They are all there fully themselves, disgracing themselves. Even see the one was even see that day, Edo BBC. Anybody will get proud for if you invite who you want invite. You not concern anybody. Jealousy no will let them see left and right. You understand? So thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that if I upload video there you gonna see the gbege, there you gonna see the truth. Now we be the truth teller. Now we they see the truth. We go talk am. Whether you be our friend or whether you be our enemy, we go see the truth. We go talk and we go knock am for the air. You know they look mocking, no the fear face. You understand? All area level. So my sister Kate, ma use this music. They celebrate your marriage. They take your enemy say they not rich. God don't bless you, don't bless you. No matter how the blessing take come. Make you and your husband and your beautiful children use this music. Take bobori. Our marriage all shukinya. So thank you everyone for watching. I will see you in my next video. I love you. Bye. You're not